What's up, YouTube? And what's up to my fellow model junkies all around the world? This is JK from Burn the Night saying Happy New Year and welcome to 2022. Today on the bench, we're excited. We have two brand new kits that just came out from MasterBox. 124 scale post-apocalyptic series The Last Bridge. Kit number 5, Hope, and kit number 3, Splinter. Over here, we have Sabrina, kit number 124 scale. She came out, I think it was probably around the early part of November of 2021. And then these two just came out like within the last week. Such cool figures. The storyline behind these figures is that there's all-out war, a global catastrophe destroyed the planet, and people were forced to make groups and clans to survive in the wasteland. It was all against all war, survival of the fittest. These three ladies came across each other while traveling through the wasteland and decided to seek out the legendary Last Bridge. Let's get to our first little diorama. This is Sabrina, our leader. And she is standing on the last bridge, which is kind of cool. It could be like a porthole to another dimension, maybe a time machine. She's got that little droid with her over there, which didn't come with any of the kits. That's just something I threw in there. But she went together very well. All her accessories. MasterBox always knocks it out of the park with their detail. So that is Sabrina. Moving on over here, in this little small diorama, we have Hope and Splinter. Splinter is the runt of the group. She's 14, but she's a tough little girl. She can use that shotgun and protect herself really well. She's been out there surviving ever since she was 10 years old on her own. Hope is a really cool character too. She's been out there traveling in the wasteland. One night when she was out on patrol, she came across this small child that had been abandoned and decided to take the child with her on her search for the last bridge. Such great detail, man, MasterBox. And I love it that they have a storyline with all these characters. And there's some more characters that are going to be coming out more soon. Probably mid-2022. Two guy characters, which will be kind of cool to add to the collection. But these are my favorites. I really dig these. And my vendor, plasticmodelstore.com, actually sent me these two because I had just placed an order and then these two model kits came out and he felt bad. Good old Vlad, man, he felt bad. He was like, hey, let me send you these kits so you can have them because I know how much you love MasterBox and you're a good client, so they're really cool over there. As usual, I use Valero paints, Magic Touch brushes. Always make sure to have a sharp X-Acto knife so you can clean your edges. Little black primer. And away you go. Let your imagination fly. I get all my stuff from plasticmodelstore.com, Ukraine company, great bunch of guys. They carry MasterBox, mini art, all Ukraine, all the time. Great bunch of guys over there. Go become a member, get some free goodies, updates on everything that they have there, because they have a huge inventory. Fast shipping, and hopefully soon, hopefully within 2022, they will start shipping from within the US, which will cut down costs and time, which I hope they do, because I think it would be awesome. Anyway, this is JK saying thanks for watching the video. Keep being creative out there. Rock on. And let's get 2022 started with the last bridge. Thanks for watching, gang. We'll talk to you soon.